Nowadays, there are a lot of ways that you can use money in terms of currency or notes, such as check, such as cash, and right now, the most popular ones ang tinatawag po natin ay plastic or credit card. So marami na pong tao ngayon may credit card. Dati kakaunti lang. Pero ngayon, sa totoo lang, the ones that's fueling our economy, especially in the middle class, are credit cards. What is a credit card? A credit card is what you use today to buy what you cannot afford tomorrow while you're still paying for yesterday. So yun po ang mahirap po sa credit card. And sa totoo lang, credit card is the most emotionless way of spending money. How can I say that? Because I have one, and I can still remember nung first time ko nagkaroon ng credit card, me and my wife, we go to a restaurant, and then after that, we swipe. After that, pumunta naman kami ng bookstore. Again, we swipe, walang aray. And after that, pumunta kami shopping kami. Again, swipe, walang aray. Nung dumating ang billing statement, aray. Diba? Kasi, hindi mo mararamdaman. And that day alone, we spent over 8,000 pesos. So I just want to really encourage you. If you really have trouble in spending, especially, hindi mo makaya makontrol ang inyong pag-shopping when you have a credit card, I do suggest tonight, you seek a doctor's advice. And the doctor will immediately advise you that you need to immediately perform a plastic surgery. Ano yung plastic surgery? Save the body? No. Get a scissor, get out your credit card, and cut it into half. This will save you a lot of money. At the same time, it will help you to get out of debt. Again, no offense meant. I have nothing against people who have credit cards. If you want to use credit card for convenience, that's no problem. But if you're going to use credit card dahil wala kang pera and then expecting the money will come, that would be very, very bad. It's not a wise way of spending money. As a matter of fact, statistics show if you use a credit card, you spend 30% more. And chances are, if you have a credit card, you won't even pay on time. Marami pong disadvantages if you do not pay on time. They will charge you 3.5% interest per year. That's more or less 40% per annum. Compared, if you put your money in the bank, it only generates you at least 2% per annum. So negative 38%.